जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, करो सब पे कृपा।
Festival in your life, in your family life, and in the life of all the people whom you touch. Songs, and the first one would be, of course, we always start with Lord Ganesha. So this one is very unique. It was recorded in 2011 in Russia, and the Russian Zarjugis are singing with me in chorus. Jaya Jaya Janani Shri Ganesh Ki, Jaya Jaya Janani Shri Ganesh Ki, Pratima Parmeshwar Paresh Ki, Pratima Parmeshwar Paresh Ki, Jaya Jaya Janani Shri Ganesh Ki. जय गज बदन शरानन माता, जय 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 निर्मल माता। ध्यान दान की सुंदर प्रतिमा, परिवाहिनी शुभ संदेश की, जय जय जननी श्री गणेश की। जय आदिशक्ति है मात निर्मला, जय 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 भक्त वत्सला। भक्ति दान दो भक्ति गंगा, कीजिए कृपा निर्मल गणेश की। जय जय जननी श्री गणेश की। हे जगदम्बे मात भवानी, शुद्ध विद्या चरणन जानी। मोक्ष दान दे मोक्ष प्रदान, तू विनाशिनी भव कलेश की। जय जय जननी श्री गणेश की। Thank you. 1988, when I was with Shri Mataji attending to Shivratri Puja in in Dadar, Bombay, I was writing this poem just before the puja started, and somewhere in the middle of the night when the puja ended and Shri Mataji had gone back to rest in her cottage, I was so keen that she should hear what I had written that I broke all protocols and went to meet her when she was about to retire after puja. Generally, we won't trouble Shri Mataji when she had done a puja. But this song, I don't know what it really meant to me as well as to Shri Mataji. When I went to meet her, she was waiting for me. And she said that I was hoping that you will come and you have got a song written, I know. I was sensing it, and so I'm glad you've come now. And she was having dinner, and she invited me to come and sit next to her. And she had just finished having her dinner, and she was washing her hands in the finger bowl. And then she said that before you even say the poem, she pushed the bowl towards me and said that I should drink it. And I drank the whole thing, and you know what it was? It was like having ambrosia. It was what you would, when you wash your feet, and then the smell of the roses, and how those who have done this would know. It was an amazing experience because I felt I was floating in somewhere in the sky among the stars, and it was like my soul was all over in heaven. And I could just hear Shri Mataji's voice coming from very far, asking me, "Where are you? Please start. I want you to sing this song." So, see, the amazing part was that I had not even composed the music. I had just written a poem. And when her voice came closer means I was coming back to the current world, and then I could hear her properly, and she was repeating again and again, "Where are you gone? I want you to start singing." So I just looked at Shri Mataji in a way that, "Shri Mataji, I have only written a poem, but then if you say so, then so be it. And when I started to sing this song, she said, this is the song of the Sahasrara. It is in Rag Darbari. I didn't know any ragas, by the way, I am not a trained musician. But it was all because of Shri Mataji's blessings that this was happening. And you can hear this song. I will try to sing it now. It was recorded for my first film, Grah Lakshmi, The Awakening. Its name is Teri Sanson Ki. If you can spell that in the English, it's there. IT. We didn't practice which song he's going to play, so I'm going to just give him a lot of songs. I hope you can locate it. Among the karaoke. मेरी को दे कर दे मेरा बांसुरी बने सब रात मत स्वर में बजे स्वर में बजे तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी सुखमन मेरी को ऐसी तेरी धुन है बह जाए हर रस झंकार से भर जाए हर गीत मिले हर लय में मैं खुद को भूला जाता हूँ अब जी तो मेरा ये चाहता है अब जी तो मेरा ये चाहता है तेरे प्यार की सरगम बन जाऊं तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी सुखमन मेरी को जन की ही कहते हैं हर दिल में तेरा ही गान बसे तेरी धुन मगर हर जीव रसे हर जीव रसे बेहोश नहीं ये गौरव है रोशन चेतन की गुंजन है जब मस्त हुए तो क्या कहने जब मस्त हुए तो क्या कहने मेरी शक्ति है
पूजन है तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी सुखमन मेरी को भर दे। आनंद की बौछारों में तेरी पावनिता के दीप जले इतना रोशन मुझे करते चले दिल के भीतर कई राग छिड़े। हर राग में नव इंसान जगे ऐसा मंथन रस रूप धरे सब गण हर कण तेरी रास रचे सब गण हर कण तेरी रास रचे तब जीवन स्वर्ग का धाम बने तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी सुखमन मेरी को भर देगी तब देह मेरा बांसुरी बने सब राग मधुर स्वर में बजे स्वर में बजे सब राग मधुर स्वर में बजे स्वर में बजे।
Thank you. The meaning of this song is that, Shrimataji, I'm so surrendered to you that my body, my soul, my being is an instrument. So the Kundalini that is awakening because of you is playing like a flute in this instrument, a tune on which you are playing on my chakras with your fingers. And the tune that is coming is nothing but offering a prayer, a puja to you. And that is my life. So, when Shri Mataji heard this, she gave me a name. The name is Roshan, which means the enlightened one. And she said that you have to take your music to the whole world, and your music, and I don't want to praise myself, but Shri Mataji said you can talk about it, that your music will help to establish Sahaja Yoga for a long, long time, even after you are gone. And these are her words to me, that when you come back after 100 years, you will find this music will still be alive. Jai Shri Mataji. So I'd like to give you the English translation of the song because it's not so easy. Even in Hindi, which she wrote, I could not comprehend what she had written. And when I was asking Shri Mataji, I understand Hindi, but what you have written, I'm not able to grasp it so fast. She said, when you meditate, you will start to know what I have written. And of course, it took me time to understand the song. But she says, don't focus too much on your thinking process. Just sing it, and the more you sing it, the elements will absorb it and the rain will happen. And when she showed me the rain, I realized, but at that time I could understand the song. But I hope if I read it now, what I understood, I read it out to her, and then she said, yes, you got the right translation. So here it is. To be born realized is a subtle, unusual happening. From the ego has risen the falsehood of illusion. The reins of Sahaj Yoga will control the human attention. Behold this Karishma, the miracle of Sahaj Yoga. The so-called religious intelligentsia have crushed the very concept of religion. In these modern times, religion has become an established hypocrisy. It is the Atma Tattva, the concept of the Atma, the spirit, will put an end to such hypocrisy. Behold this Karishma, this miracle of Sahaj Yoga. To feel divine vibrations is a near impossibility in these modern times. Such strong, determined beliefs appear as if they are in samadhi of these doubting Thomases. In patience alone, the doubting attention will establish complete doubtlessness. Behold this Karishma, the miracle of Sahaj Yoga. The light of truth will spontaneously dawn on the human intelligence. It will collectively enlighten the human attention. In the heart, it will play the flute of divine bliss. Behold this Karishma, the miracle of Sahaj Yoga. Jai Shri Mata. Message about what is Sahaj Yoga today. So she's talking in late 80s. What is Sahaj Yoga today and what it actually does to us and what it is meant for the world to know what a great yoga this is. This surpasses all kinds of spiritual, things people do in spirituality, all kinds of gurus. It beats everybody because it talks of the truth. And the truth is here in this song. And she said, if you were to sing this, you will be feeding the elements, the vibrations of the song. Its meaning will be translated into cloud. Means it will go into the element, water element, and go in the cloud. The clouds will disperse, and wherever they will shower rain, people will get self-realization. And she showed that example to me when I sang this song. In Kabbalah, she was doing a public program. It was very sunny, and people were sweating. It was so hot. But still, Mataji was doing a public program. And then she asked me, she said, I want you to sing that song which I dictated to you back in India. I said, Jai Shri Mataji. And when I sang that song, suddenly the clouds came and it started to rain. And she told me, didn't I tell you that? I said, Jai Shri Mataji. And you have actually shown it to me. So here we go. So would you like to give me a start? So this is also in Rag Darbari. जन्म से जीवन पाना सूक्ष्म अनहोनी है जन्म से जीवन पाना सूक्ष्म अनहोनी है अहम से बना है कैसा आडंबर माया का अहम से बना है कैसा आडंबर माया का सहज का लगाम चित्त
सहज योग का ये करिश्मा, ये करिश्मा, ये करिश्मा। जन्म से जीवन पाना सूक्ष्म अनहोनी है। जन्म से जीवन पाना सूक्ष्म अनहोनी है। धर्म मातंडों ने धर्म को कुचल दिया, धर्म को कुचल दिया इस काल में। तो धर्म ही परिपक्व पाखंड है, परिपक्व पाखंड है। आत्म तत्व ये पाखंड ही शाप कर देगा, शाप कर देगा। देखो सहज योग का ये करिश्मा, ये करिश्मा, ये करिश्मा। जन्म से जीवन पाना सूक्ष्म अनहोनी है। चैतन्य का आभास माना अनहोनी है, माना अनहोनी है। यही सविकल्प शंका में समाधि है, शंका में समाधि है। सबूरी में शंकित चित्त निर्विकल्प कर दे।